Yeah, hi, good evening, guys. So, I thought I will be sharing my trades which happened last week. So, I have found did some mistakes, and also I have learned some lessons. Let me go through it one by one. Okay. So these, and I have made a watch list of what all the trades I have done here. Okay. And I will be showing one by one. One is Majdoc on 5th. Okay. Which is Majdoc. See, what I am doing is every day I will go to that my FNO stock list and I will find that highest fall down or highest picking up stocks in first 5-10 minutes. Okay, that one it is like selecting my stocks in the first hour. Means from here I will see that this is percentage change and I will see where the good candles are there, scope and all that which we discussed in our previous video. So for me, for for daily chart, I have to go and I will be seeing that fifth means this day. Okay, fifth and sixth both the days I traded on Mashdak. So if you go to 15 minutes calendar, 5 minutes calendar for early catch up. Okay, and fifth, right? 0, 5. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, if you see this, fifth is this first 5 minutes only. I have caught that, trade. And it is like if you see this previous trade, it
Jabin, 1 minute.
yeah.
I am hearing your voice two times. I think
Oh,
something equals.
okay. Mm, sure. Now
I
also,
think that looks okay for me.
okay. It's not a problem for you. Okay. Maybe your
Yeah.
system has something setting you need to do, Sujata.
Maybe, ma'am, are you using headphones? Sujata,
Me?
ma'am? No,
Su-
Sujata, ma'am.
Sujata, madam.
What I'll do is I'll just log off and I'll log in again. You please
Okay.
continue. I'll join
Oh,
you.
Okay.
yeah. Okay. Okay. See, mine is not a paid version, so we had this session. It's like it will be like 15 minutes or something. So just saying that. Okay. So see this 5 minutes. It opened up and it was like somehow that day it's like that was the beginning of my F&O stocks trading. I guess like 1 week back I started trading, so I just wanted to take more means stay in the trade for long. So what I did, I just entered here and traded only one candle. If you see this, if you can see my trades. Okay, fifth name, it is first I have taken this strike. Okay, 30, where is that? I don't know. 33 expiry is 33 and at CE 2300 I have taken, which is like that I am taking the strike which is near to that, means CE. Since it is CE, I have taken like somewhere around 22 and 2200 or 2300 and I just stayed this one candle. And after that I saw that it was still going up and again entered, but still again it was like, was not able to withstand like my that I might need to get some experience, but somehow that day experience was good and for that I made some profit of 4,500 that day. 4,500 or 5,000 it was near to 5,000 which I posted. Okay, next day again I traded on that same stock because I felt it has that daily chat whatever it has formed, right, daily, that was feeling like one more candle it will move. I will see this one is daily and another is uh, whatever 5 minutes chat I will keep. Okay, much talk. Yeah. Here I will keep 5 minute chart. Here I will keep daily chart. So if you see this 5 minute chart on 5th 5th August, 5th February. So this here I have entered. Actually, I might have traded it till at least one, this one means one resistance level. Especially the nature of that stock is like once it starts moving up, it will move up nicely. Okay, that is something which I missed. But since I'm still learning on how to trade with FNO, this is something which I have made. Next day also on 6th, I felt that it will be a good stock. I was not trading on that day for more time. Like 5th and 6th, I was little bit occupied. So only one stock and one trade I have done. See, if you see this, again here, the same thing, it has crossed this and I have ridden it till here again. The same thing, since yesterday was moved, so I felt it may not move, but still it has moved till the third edge. That day also I made two trades. This day I think I have made again 4,500, here 4,500 and here 4,500 I have made. The next comes this, then 9th March. Okay, this is 9th March. What I have done is this one, you leave first. Yeah, Indigo. First let me sort this out. Indigo is like Indigo on 9th, right?
Yeah.
Indigo, where is Indigo? Oh, I didn't add Indigo. Indigo is missing. Yeah. Okay. This is daily chat on 9th. This day. Oh, this is 5 minutes. This is daily. On 9th, see, 9th is full down day. If you go to 5 minutes chat on 9th, it was like gap down. Okay, since it was gap
Mm-hmm.
down, I got scared that it may turn full up. Okay, so the moment I
Mm-hmm.
realized that this much gap down is there, as I just saw the first candle and entered, it went well. Then looking at these two candles, I felt still it will go, but somehow this one was like only this thing I rided. So it was like Indigo that day. It went something wrong. This was a misidentified trend. This is how I made a failed game. Like, when it is open so much gap down, at least it will try to go back till means if not like this candles, it will make a wick and try to move. But it was moving in very fine trend, which I ignored it because it has opened gap down and I thought it will still go down and it will take some time, but it has made no time. Within 1 hour, something like that, 1 or 2 hours, it made again came back to that level. Okay, again I was under the impression only it will go down. That, see, I should simply follow my candles. I should not question them. But the moment we start questioning them, then we will go wrong. That is what I have realized. See, this one, when it goes, when I might have entered here, then this one I thought it will go down. Then see, everything, the moment it says this has formed bigger candle, I should expect at least till here. Then if you see, it went in steps. It went in steps. Then it was not pulling down any time below this. It has never closed below this, or means this level. So I thought it will start come back. The moment this candle formed, I realized actually I should realize it here or here. then I should have exited here. That should be the ideal process. So this is a mistake from my end. Well, like we should not blindly see, we should not decide the end result. We should analyze when that trade is going on. We should analyze. That was my mistake. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right.
Yeah. See, for me, if till here, if it when it touches and it is going down, this bullet, see when this comes, right? When that bullet with the same size, then there is high chances that it will not reverse because this downtrend will not continue and it is going in steps. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
one lesson is you should follow the candles. You should not go with a pre-assumed mind. Second is you should not be like very deciding. See, this is very early stage to decide. Like 9:25, before 9:30 only I have decided. Later realized that my earlier two trades were before this were before 9:30 and this was before trend. See, sometimes it happens that we find a good trend early. Sometimes it may happen that we may not find the good trend. But that is fine. But you should not be in pre-assumption. And also, if you want to be very sure, at least wait till 9:30 or at least first 15 minutes. You wait till you get experience. That is one my lesson which I have learned from this trade. This one. Okay. Next. Natural
Mm-hmm.
gas, this is okay. That was some market tendency, which because of its size, I got scared and I got exited by, that setting. It was button clicked and all. This is negligible. I might have re-entered, but still I didn't enter this. This was okay, but still loss is less. And then here, if you see, from 26 to 20 this one PGL on 9th. PGL was a good trade on 9th. I think it is not there. PGL on 9th. See, there was a long way to go. Very early I executed. If you see this 9th and 9th on this. Okay. See, again, this was like gap down. See, the similar move I expected in that stock, which I just shown. See, when it opens gap down, the candles formed here are totally different from the candles which I showed recently. Get it?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Indigo, it was like it in steps it went. Correct? But here, if you see, this candle is, it never crossed this, and this is one of the best indications you have found. Okay, that means it is going to go a long way, at least till another resistance. Please remember this. See, this candle looks like a morning star, but it covers the top with a wick. Can you see this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right, right.
So it should not go against that rule. And if it goes, you don't stay in hope story. Okay. So it worked in my favor. So what I did, I waited means till here and I entered. Okay, because this sideways I don't want. I added it in watch list. Okay. See, if you see this, this is 9:20. This is 9:30. Correct? That is the time when I have to pick up the stock. But the moment I saw this, I knew that it is going down and it will be in sideways for certain time. So I want some confirmation candle. This looks like a confirmation. Okay. But it is not with proper candles. I just wanted some because it will be in sideways for some time when this happens. So solid confirmation is here I got. Okay. This is
So,
confirmation.
so what you're saying, ma'am, like whenever it's breaking that range, it should break with a good, no, good
Yeah,
volume,
proper candle.
bigger candle.
Correct. Even
Okay,
this is,
okay.
see, this was in proper this one. And see the size of the candle when compared to this size of the candles. See, either it will go in,
Mm-hmm.
maybe there is chance that it will go with this sort of candles only till here. I don't deny that. But that will be very painful journey. It's not for me. Okay. In other way.
Got it, got it. Normally, I'm getting trapped in this kind of move only, where it shows this breaking the range, but again it pulls back.
Yes, yes. So that is something which I wanted to tell. When this is like it, yes, it will be a downtrend, but wait for the right candle. Okay, keep it in watch list, keep observation, at least every check every half an hour, something or some, then you will find a good trend if you have time. Okay, yeah, especially these sort of candles, don't leave because it will go a long way. Okay. Yeah. So, and once it moves, right? It moves like anything. Can you see this? How down it moved suddenly? You want something like this,
Right.
right? Rather than this. So,
Mm,
I don't prefer this. Okay. So, and when this one, it's okay. You can enter and wait, but why to be in so much confusion, right? I wanted some quick trade. So, enter here. So, what I did, I entered here and exited here. That was my this trade, PGL. Okay. But somehow I
okay.
am exiting it fast because I am not able to withstand I am able to withstand only one candle. That one I have to change. After that, I still again found that this is still going up and again enter. If you see, there are two entries. I will know that there will be it will still go, but I'm scared to write still. That is there. Okay.
Actually,
Yeah.
the volume, the quantity is more in this FNO, no? So
Correct.
once we see the
950, right?
profit, we'll try to book it.
Correct, correct. So, but still, I
By the
need.
way, how did you choose the PGLB?
Just now I have explained, right, Sujata. See this candle.
No, not
Uh,
this, sir. I mean, how did you select a PGL stock? I mean, was it there
See
in
this
a?
one, I told you, right? This one, it was in my consolidated list, whichever comes in top changes. Okay. Candles, see,
Okay.
I will see like this. And also, means that consolidated list is there, right? My one of the consolidated list which I shared with you. And you
Okay.
send
Okay.
me the process. Like you have recorded one video and sent me, right?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, so that from that list I have shortlisted this by shortlisting the percentage. Okay. Yeah. So here is this one which I want you to literally remember this candle. Okay. This one it will not fill with this. Okay. Even if it is going up, this green, right? If even if it is passing up with the steps, it should once this cut this, like it may so happen that it will go in step up. Okay. And it will cross this line, maybe this line. Okay. Like this. Then it is you should not get into that trade. That is another signal. Okay, if this PGL, see, once I entered this, I booked here again. I realized that it is still going again. I entered and I exited here. But still, I should learn that patience. That is a different thing. I will learn it. But you got my point, right? Where it is went.
Yes.
Yeah. So now my next trade goes to Bank of India. So Bank of India also something which is going in something like downtrend. So I might have these days PE is the trend. For me, PE. PE and on which day? 9th. 9th March is 9th March, Bank of India. No, I'm conducting this session because you should know why I am picking up that 9th March. See, it is open gap down. Okay. And gap down, and it is generally when it is gap down, first candle will be which show up move or strong down move. That one we need to wait and see. See this fine 9th. Yeah. Okay, see again here the trend, how it continued, gap down, one strong red. That means there are less chances that it will move up. But still you wait because it may be in sideways because all the energy is squeezed in one candle. Earlier it was not like that. PGL was not that case. Okay. And also this is 5 minutes candle which I am showing you, not the 15 minutes candle. Okay. this 5 minutes candle, and here I might, when this sort of candle forms, I will just take very quick ride here because I am not very confident. It's already half down and it may go in step up also. So what I did, I just rided this one candle, I guess. And that is what that PE is, because that Bank of India size is huge. Lot size is huge. See, not even few points I rided. Got it?
Right.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So that is the reason when I feel that it is whenever huge lot size is there and gap down and solid one red candle, so it is very difficult to ride. I might not have entered this ride because looking at that size, then this cheated me also, because in the same thing next time what I did, I became greedy and I started early. That one I will come to that point. Okay. See this one. Somehow I booked profit here. Then Indigo on Indigo on 9th. What happened? Oh, weekly this is. No, sorry. This one I have to close. Okay. Indigo on 9th. This is, if you see, many things I think that day opened gap down. There is something that went on 9th, which is this one. Okay, gap down. Then what I did, I realized that it is going to be a PE and I entered this. And this one candle, I guess I have ridden. This one candle. Because if you see that size, Indigo, size is 150 and it is not moving. Means 150 means price will move slowly. But after this, I felt that this candle I saw, then I felt it will still go down. The moment I saw this red candle, again it came to that thing. That was my rule. Okay, this candle enter, here exited, because this candle also I rided, but I exited here because this candle was uh, bigger than this candle. For me, short rides I am preferring as of now, but I am not going much deep. And see this also, after that I felt that it will be in sideways for some time, because the way and also I don't have that guts to write. One good candle was my target and I did it. Then next is Hind Petro. Hind Petro. Hind Petro also on 9th only, right? See 9th, gap down. Then Hind Petro on 9th. See how much it has gap down. So there are high chances it still may not go pretty much down. What I did is, this one was little bit, I rided it on 3 minutes. If you see that 3 minutes, actually I should not do that. Okay. But yes, I did that 3 minutes. See what happening is, when it was open gap down, that's why I suddenly realized that this I have followed the wrong system and I exited when it was like here I entered, but here I exited. Okay, this candle, this what is this green candle I entered and here I exited, because I am thinking that it may not be that much going up. Why? Because it has opened gap down and one solid green, and it has cut that edge and it's again trying to move up. That was like, for me it was like very risky trade, this one. I don't know why I did it, but I did it. But somehow I was able to escape with my trials. Like the moment I saw this, I wanted to book it, something that went into my mind. And the size, if you see, that quantity I can't bear. 2000, what is that? Quantity is 2025. Means even if it moves little also, it will be like very much different, make the difference. 1.5 rupee it moved, and I think I exited. 1 rupee, hardly. Okay. Then that one's right. You will charges also will be more for that. If you see that charges, right? If you see Hind Petro, 141 rupees it is. That charges also we need to take care. This trade I should not have taken. That is what I am trying to tell you. Okay, but it ended in profit. That's a different thing, but I should not have taken. I am doing some daring steps. That is fine. So this one is over. Ninth, this one. And natural gas I will come to that. Okay, natural gas, I am finding one special natural gas and crude oil. I am finding one special pattern. Okay, then it comes where national aluminium, since size is big, though it moved up, I was not able to withstand it because it was like 80,000 or 90,000, that one. So I exited. Even IEX and one thing I will tell you. IEX, it is quantity is more. See, one thing what I realized is if quantity is more and if it is penny stock, means it moves very little, that profit or loss, it is too much. Even if it is, see, if you see this, only 84 to 0.5, 0.84 to 0.57 it moved. But I will get worried to write that candles. See this? IEX on 11th, I will open it. So that
And
IEX.
moment also it will be unpredictable sometimes.
Very unpredictable. So IEX on 11th. But what I realized is it is like very much good if you can able to catch that. See, if these candles all were very, very little, but this one it pumped up. So I thought it will move up. This one also I waited. This by the time I think I entered here and somewhere I have to exit here, but this one I have exited. So something that went in this phase, right? After this one, when such candles form, right, you should wait for the right candle, like how I did in that one stock I showed you some time ago, that you should wait for the right candle. So I didn't wait for the right candle, so I have to book loss in this. Okay, that is how the IIX story. And what I found is when the penny stocks are there, and even if it is showing a good move, I am not able to ride it. So I should not go near to that. I should go something reasonable which matches to my mindset. See, in the same CIEX, okay, I made here CE ride, here I made profit. Okay, same IEX. Something like, you know, this I might have raided, made profit. When it is still again going up, I might have entered and I have made it loss here. So that if I see that profit I made and loss I made is nullified, maybe little bit left, 1400 here and 1000 here. Whatever I got, I lost it to the market only. Got it? So such things we should not do. Means especially that penny stocks, I am not able to ride. It is not matching my mindset. Okay. This right, Coforge. By mistake, button was clicked. I might have, means exit button clicked. The angel, right? What will happen? That confirm button. I just want to keep that confirm button right, and by mistake it got clicked. So just charges came, but yeah, I might have entered it again. That was my mistake. Means Coforge, right, on 11th. I'll show you Coforge. Ah. The moment, see, here I understood that it is going down. See, I exited almost immediately, but if I might have been in this trade, Coforge on 11th, right? This one on 11th. See, if I might have entered, see how much it is. I missed a very good profit that day. Okay. At least till here, I might have ridden. But yes, that is what it is. We can't help. And this is one combination you remember, guys. Gap up, candle, It has formed a wick with red. It tried to move up, but it was not able to. You should not enter a CE here because this is an indication. This red body with a big wick is an indication that it will not sustain. Okay, that is first point. Second point is this is downward confirmation. See, it closed below this. And after that, see the move. Got it? Why I rated this?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, I might
Jabin,
have.
I have this one question on this.
Yeah,
In the second candle, 5 minutes second candle.
uh,
So you see, as soon as it opens the 5 minutes, so it's moving above the first candle. So
correct.
it's a sign for green. I mean C, right?
No, see, correct. But if it depends on where you are entering, correct? If you, are you going to enter after 5 minutes? Do you have that capacity to sustain? That one you need to decide. Got it? I will always say take after 9:30 till you get experience, correct?
Okay. Okay.
So if you see wait till 9:30, you will be here. Correct? 9:30 closure is here.
Right.
Correct? But by that time, this candle has formed. And you will know. That is where you should decide your time frame. What is your capacity? If sometimes you know what I will do, I will ride it in 1 minute and exit also in 1 minute. Because that is what, because sometimes morning moves, right? It will be really very quick. And
Okay.
sometimes Majdak, right? In first 15 minutes, I made 5K. 2 times I made. But that is like what suits your mindset.
I think depends on the stock or what. I mean, depends on the
Yeah. The
volume they
nature of the
pump
stock
in.
as well. Nature of the stock, your capacity and mind that day. So yeah.
Okay.
Okay. See, that's where I will always say till you get experience, you wait till 9:30. Depends on first 5 minutes candle decide at 9:30 or decide at what is the day that is 11th March, right? Decide after 15th. See, if you see this, it doesn't show you clear indication. It showed you clear indication here, 9:30. You got it? 15 minutes. This candle. It showed you clearly that it is going to end, means going downtrend. See, this green plus wick and this red bigger than this, correct? And you know that it will go down. Is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Even in 5 minutes candle also, it told you the same thing. Okay, 5 minutes, it misguided you. But if you wait till 9:30, you will know that this candle is formed, so it may have a downtrend. So that is where you need to read deep into the candles. Okay, you don't say that this is a bullet. This is not a bullet because this is with a big wick, one solid red body. Okay, I will wind up, I think in some time. We can join this call again if you have time because it is ending. Meeting is ending. It sent me message some time ago. We'll continue.
If you have time.
Yeah, I have
Okay.
time.
Okay. This one,
Another
Hindalco. Can you just look at Hindalco? That was
1 minute.
on Friday. Yeah.
Let me
Yeah.
finish this. Okay. Yeah. So
Sure.
you
Sure. Sure.
understood this, right? Coforge, why I have taken.
Yes.
Yeah. So I just want to end it at a logical session. I will connect. Okay. We'll join the another call. Yeah. Indalco, you stop sharing and I will stop recording. Okay.